Day 5. Yesterday you learned to ask questions. Today, you'll learn to answer them about yourself. Phrase 1. Me llamo. Me llamo. Slowly. Me llamo. It means, my name is. The direct answer to yesterday's question, ¿Cómo te llamas? Use it. Introductions anywhere. Phrase 2. Tengo años. Tengo años. Slowly. Tengo años. It means, I am years old. Use it. Casual conversations, forms, introductions. Phrase 3. Soy de. Slowly. Soy de. It means I'm from. Use it. Right after meeting someone new. Phrase 4. Vivo en. Slowly. Vivo en. It means I live in. Use it. Describing your current situation, not just origin. Phrase 5. Me gusta. Me gusta. Slowly. Me gusta. It means I like. The single most useful phrase for describing yourself works with almost anything. Use it constantly in almost any conversation. Phrase 6. No me gusta. No me gusta. Slowly. No me gusta. It means I don't like. Use it. Same as above, opposite direction. Phrase 7. Estoy feliz. Estoy feliz. Slowly. Estoy feliz. It means I'm happy. Use it. Describing your mood, casual check-ins. Phrase 8. Estoy cansado. Estoy cansado. Slowly. Estoy cansado. It means I'm tired. Note. Cansada if you're a woman. Use it. Explaining why you want to leave early, honestly. Phrase 9. Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre. Slowly. Tengo hambre. It means I'm hungry. Literally, I have hunger. Use it. Signaling it's time to eat. Phrase 10. Tengo sed. Tengo sed. Slowly. Tengo sed. It means I'm thirsty. Use it. Same situations as above. Phrase 11. Trabajo como. Trabajo como. Slowly. Trabajo como. It means I work as a. Use it. Describing your job. Phrase 12. Estudio. Estudio. Slowly. Estudio. It means I study. Use it if you're a student or learning something specific. Phrase 13. Mi pasión es. Mi pasión es. Slowly. Mi pasión es. It means my passion is. Use it. Deeper conversations, describing yourself beyond small talk. Phrase 14. Quiero aprender español. Quiero aprender español. Slowly. Quiero aprender español. It means I want to learn Spanish. Use it. Explaining exactly what you're doing right now to a native speaker. Phrase 15. Hablo un poco de español. Hablo un poco de español. Slowly. Hablo un poco de español. It means I speak a little Spanish. Use it. Managing expectations before a conversation. Phrase 16. Estoy aprendiendo. Estoy aprendiendo. Slowly. Estoy aprendiendo. It means I'm learning. Use it. Whenever you make a mistake, this explains everything. Phrase 17. Tengo miedo de. Tengo miedo de. Slowly. Tengo miedo de. It means I'm afraid of. Use it. Honest, personal conversations. Phrase 18. Estoy emocionado. Estoy emocionado. Slowly. Estoy emocionado. It means I'm excited. Note. Emocionada if you're a woman. Use it. Describing anticipation for something. Phrase 19. Mi sueño es. Mi sueño es. Slowly. Mi sueño es. It means my dream is. Use it. Deeper, more personal conversations. Phrase 20. Espero que sí. Espero que sí. Slowly. Espero que sí. It means I hope so. Use it. Ending almost any conversation about plans or wishes. 20 phrases. Now you can actually talk about who you are, not just where the bathroom is. Subscribe for day 6 tomorrow.